As commerce in areas impacted by Hurricane Melissa slowly picks up, Managing Director of the Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ, Dr. David Lowe, says going forward, there is a need for targeted support to cushion the fallout. Addressing the recently held JMMB Group Thought Leadership Breakfast, he noted the need for resilience and a new way of thinking to be at the forefront of the rebuilding process. He proposes that issues like fast-tracking insurance payouts must be considered for the future.
When you're trying to get back on your feet quickly, there must be a way that we can lean in and find a way to support that recovery from that perspective. So what we're looking at is what could we look at in the new year to design a quick response that if insurance is coming, but it's a matter of time, how do we intervene and provide that liquidity support until that insurance payout occurs? And this is just one of many things, because we have to be innovative. The old playbook is no longer what we have to look at. We have to create our own playbook on the fly.
He also lamented the implications arising from unemployment.
How do we ensure that we have stabilization of wage support and payrolls, particularly when you see the impact of what has happened, not just in terms of entrepreneurs, but in terms of more established businesses? You look at the tourism sector and the impact that has had. The multiplicity of impact is robust, and you can't even calculate the immense fallout that comes from that. But what we do know is that with loss of jobs, even in the short term, it has implications for payroll taxes for the government. It has implications for consumption and spending, which is also economic activity. We have to recognize that as we move forward, we have to have a framework that engages and supports this reality.